What's up, my name? Today we're here, and I have my new Batmobile. People call it remote control car, but I'm a Lego minifigure. I'm made of plastic, so I can call it whatever I want. So this is my new Batmobile. Totally didn't steal it from a Christmas present from Dark Knight Bros. Totally not. No. But my new Batmobile, awesome, and I'm gonna take it out for a spin. Okay, here we go. I'm the best at driving, and most of the reason is because I'm not actually in the driver thing. I'm on top of the car. Darn it. Hold on, guys, I'm stuck. Okay, my new Batmobile is not as good as the old one, but I think I'm just not good at driving this. I'm so good at driving. I'm stuck again. Okay, totally not me. Obviously, the new Batmobile sucks. It's black and yellow, so I love the colors of it. But, like, it sucks. It's so bad at driving by itself. I'm not supposed to drive it, am I? Am I? I'm really not sure, but I'm never going to use this in a video again. See you later, night.